Hey everybody, so I got a question for you. What are you doing to stay awesome during the e-learning period at home? Just like in math class, the last step to every math problem was always be awesome. But I'm not with you at home every day, so I don't know how you're staying awesome over this. I would like to know. So your job for this assignment is to make a little short video with your iPad or type a response below this in the discussion post area telling all of the whole class how you are staying awesome during this e-learning process. One thing that I've been doing is I've been riding my bike. That's right. Got my helmet here because I rode my bike to work today. It's important to wear your helmet if you're riding your bike around town. Another thing I've been doing is I've been doing a little bit of fishing with my daughter. We've gone fishing a couple times. But usually the best way we've been staying awesome is just going outside, taking the dog for a walk, and getting some fresh air. What have you been doing to stay awesome over this e-learning period? Can't wait to find out.